Tired of corroded connections leaving you stranded with a dead battery? I've identified the 5 battery terminals that actually deliver reliable, long-lasting performance. Our comprehensive testing process, which includes real-world corrosion resistance trials and conductivity measurements, has revealed exactly what makes the best battery terminals worth your investment. Each one has unique features that could be perfect for your specific vehicle needs. So make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. Amper Military Spec Battery Terminal Kit. What sets this kit apart is its military-grade lead alloy construction that's specifically engineered to resist corrosion, which is honestly the biggest enemy of battery terminals. Additionally, these terminals are designed to handle multiple cable connections, making them perfect for RVs, boats, or vehicles with complex electrical systems. The kit includes everything you need for a complete installation, and that's where it really shines. You get positive and negative terminals with clear markings, military-style terminal covers for protection, plus heat, shrink tubing, and copper lugs. This means you won't be scrambling to find additional parts halfway through your project. What's particularly impressive is the build quality. The lead alloy construction is noticeably thicker and more robust than many alternatives, so you won't have to worry about terminals breaking when you're tightening them down. Moreover, the design accommodates standard top post batteries with the proper 19mm and 17mm tapered connections. However, keep in mind that since these are made from lead alloy, you'll want to wear gloves during installation and wash your hands afterward for safety. But honestly, that's a small consideration for the durability you're getting. The real advantage becomes clear when you're dealing with harsh environments or heavy electrical loads. Whether you're upgrading your car's electrical system or maintaining an RV that sees constant use, these terminals provide the reliable connection you need. If you're looking for military-grade durability at a reasonable price point, you can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 4. Vgate Battery Clamps 8AWG40. What immediately stands out about these terminals is their impressive 12-way connector design, which gives you 6 10U AWG hole holders plus 6 8mm threaded studs for maximum versatility. This means you can connect multiple devices to a single battery terminal, which is perfect if you're dealing with complex electrical setups in RVs, boats, or vehicles with extensive aftermarket electronics. The construction quality is where these really shine. They're made from 6061 aluminum, which offers excellent corrosion resistance and durability compared to standard terminals. Additionally, this material provides the precision and toughness you need for heavy-duty applications, so you won't have to worry about them failing when you need them most. What's particularly impressive is their wide compatibility range. These terminals support wire gauges from 8 AWG all the way up to 40 AWG, and they work with battery voltages from 6 volts to 48 volts. Moreover, they're designed to work with SAE, DIN, and EN tapered post types, making them suitable for everything from cars and motorcycles to solar power systems and marine applications. Unlike the military spec terminals we looked at earlier, these are specifically engineered for users who need multiple connection points, rather than just basic terminal replacement. The 12-way design eliminates the need for additional junction blocks or complicated wiring setups. However, keep in mind that these aren't compatible with JIS pencil post batteries, so you'll want to verify your battery type before purchasing. Also, some users report that the clamps can be over-tightened from the factory, but the solution is simple. Just fully loosen them before installation. The real advantage becomes clear when you're managing complex electrical systems. Whether you're setting up an RV with multiple appliances, adding accessories to your truck, or building a solar power setup, these terminals provide the organized, reliable connections you need. If you're looking for professional-grade versatility in a single terminal solution, you can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 3. Sunorn Heavy-Duty Top Post Battery Terminals. What immediately caught my attention about these terminals is their robust construction that's specifically designed to tackle the 2 biggest enemies of battery connections: corrosion and loose connections from constant vibration. The build quality here is genuinely impressive. These terminals are made from heavy-duty, corrosion-resistant materials that can handle high temperatures without losing their conductivity or structural integrity. Additionally, the design creates such a secure fit on your battery posts that you won't have to worry about them working loose over time, which is honestly one of the most frustrating issues with cheaper alternatives. What sets this apart is that you're getting a complete installation kit rather than just the terminals themselves. You get both positive and negative terminals with clear markings, plus protective covers, anti-corrosion washers, connectors, heat shrink tubes, and even copper lugs. This means you won't be halfway through your installation, only to realize you need additional components. The versatility is another strong point. Whether you're working on a car, RV, boat, truck, or even setting up battery banks, these terminals handle the job effectively. Moreover, they're engineered to resist the kind of environmental challenges that destroy standard terminals: salt air for marine applications, extreme temperatures, and constant vibration from road travel. However, keep in mind that some users have mentioned the plastic covers can be a bit tricky to get perfectly flat. And there's an important installation tip about ensuring your copper lugs make direct contact with the terminal material for optimal conductivity. The real advantage becomes clear when you're dealing with unreliable starts or visible corrosion on your current terminals. Whether you're maintaining a daily driver or upgrading an RV's electrical system, these provide the dependable connection you need for peace of mind. If you're looking for a complete heavy-duty solution that addresses the common failure points of standard terminals, you can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 2. Husuku i12 of the Automotive 3-way top post terminals. What immediately sets these apart is their clever lever action design that eliminates the need for tools during installation, which honestly solves one of the most frustrating aspects of replacing battery terminals. Additionally, the 3-way connection design gives you multiple attachment points on each terminal, making them perfect for RVs, boats, or vehicles where you need to connect several accessories to a single battery post. The construction quality really impressed me here. These terminals use tinned copper throughout, which provides excellent electrical conductivity while offering superior corrosion resistance compared to standard terminals. Moreover, the tinned coating acts as a protective barrier that extends the lifespan significantly, so you won't be dealing with that white, crusty buildup that ruins cheaper alternatives. What's particularly convenient is how the lever mechanism works. You simply flip the lever to open the terminal, slide it onto your battery post, then flip it back to create a secure connection. This means you can disconnect or reconnect your battery in seconds, without fumbling around for wrenches or dealing with stubborn nuts and bolts. Unlike the military spec terminals we looked at earlier, these are specifically designed for users who need multiple connection points, rather than just maximum durability. The 3-way design eliminates the need for additional junction blocks when you're adding accessories like winches, inverters, or auxiliary lighting systems. However, keep in mind that while the tinned copper construction is excellent for most applications, some users have mentioned they'd prefer consistent bolt types throughout the hardware. But honestly, this is a minor consideration given the overall convenience and performance you're getting. The real advantage becomes clear when you're dealing with frequent battery maintenance or managing multiple electrical connections. Whether you're maintaining an RV with several appliances, adding accessories to your truck, or simply want the convenience of tool-free battery changes, these terminals provide the reliable, versatile connection you need. If you're looking for a user-friendly solution that combines convenience with solid performance, you can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Number 1. Amper Brass Top Post Terminals. What immediately stands out about these terminals is their brass construction, which offers excellent electrical conductivity while providing superior corrosion resistance compared to standard steel alternatives. Additionally, the brass material means you won't be dealing with that familiar white crusty buildup that destroys cheaper terminals over time. The design is refreshingly straightforward, with clear positive and negative markings directly molded into each terminal for foolproof installation. Moreover, they're engineered to fit standard top post batteries with the proper 19mm positive and 17mm negative tapered connections, making them compatible with most cars, RVs, and boats you'll encounter. What's particularly appealing is their versatility for different electrical projects. Whether you're replacing corroded terminals on your daily driver, setting up battery extensions for an RV, or creating parallel connections for a marine application, these terminals handle the job effectively. Furthermore, the brass construction maintains its conductivity and structural integrity, even in harsh environments, where salt air or extreme temperatures would compromise lesser materials. However, there's an important consideration you should know about before purchasing. Several users have reported that the bolt size for connecting your wire lugs is larger than standard, which means you might need to drill out the holes on your existing connectors to achieve proper fit. This somewhat contradicts the straightforward installation you'd expect. The real advantage becomes clear when you're dealing with persistent corrosion issues or unreliable connections that leave you stranded. Whether you're maintaining a work truck that needs dependable starts or upgrading an older RV's electrical system, these terminals provide the corrosion-resistant connection you need for long-term reliability. If you're looking for a durable brass solution and don't mind potentially modifying your connectors for proper fit, you can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. So which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.